head cut in half. Next to it is the triceps brachii long head. When you open this up, this is the triceps brachii medial head. And then here we have the radialis. And then the brachioradialis right here, which is cut. It's supposed to be attached right here to the brachialis. And then we've got the anconius right here. And then next we have the extensor digitorum. Or no. This is the extensor carpi radialis. Extensor digitorum communis is the second one. The third one is the extensor digitorum lateralis. And then this is digitorum lateralis.
I felt flat on my back.
And the carpi ulinaris, extensor carpi ulinaris. And then when you flip it over, we've got the flexor carpi ulinaris. We've got palmaris longus right here, this big one. And then this tiny one here is flexor digitorum profundus. This next tiny one is flexor carpi radialis. And then this one here is the pronator teres. You go in here, kind of underneath like the armpit. We've got the scalenes. We have the medial scalene right here, the anterior scalene right down here, and then on the other side we have the posterior scalene. And that is it.